Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain PLUS500 app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick breakdown and analysis about this mobile app. So to get started, PLUS500 is a trading app that allows you to trade CFDs on forex, stocks, crypto and more, all from your phone. It's a beginners friendly, offer a free demo account, zero commissions on trade. It's regulated by top global bodies like FCAs and ASIC. The app interface is clean and easy to navigate with useful tools like price alerts, stop loss, and negative balance protection. It is a solid option for learning the basic of CFD trading. However, it does have downside. There are hidden costs like overnight fee, inactivity fee, and currency conversion charges. Some users also complain about poor customer service, delayed withdrawals, and questionable stop loss execution. PLUS500 doesn't support popular platforms like MetaTrade with a limit. It's ideal to advanced traders. Overall, it's good for beginners, but not ideal for professionals or high volume traders. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this trading platform. And that's it.